In this video, we will see how a variable can be used to allow the program to count. The arrow sprite will keep changing direction until the user presses the spacebar. The arrow will then stop and tell us how many times it changed direction since the user clicked on the green flag to run the program. To start, drag the When Green Flag Clicked event to the script pane. We will use a new variable called counter to count the number of times the arrow changes direction each time the program is run. Remove the tick so that the variable does not display on the stage. We make the arrow change direction by switching to a costume that shows the arrow in a different direction every time, and we let the program keep on doing this until the user presses the space bar. Go to the Control category and drag the Repeat Until block to the script pane. From the Sensing category, choose the Key Space Pressed condition and drag it into the diamond-shaped space of the Repeat Until block to let the loop stop when the user presses the spacebar. Drag the next costume block from the Looks category into the Repeat Until block. To count every time the costume switches, we drag the Change By block into the loop. After the user has pressed the spacebar, a message must appear to tell the user how many times the arrow changed direction. Link a Say block to the script after the Repeat Until block. We want to say number of direction changes and then the number of times it changed direction. Drag a join operator into the Say block and type number of direction changes equals in the box. Remember to type a space after the equal sign. Drag the counter variable into the second box in the join operator. Change the seconds in the Say block to 10. This will display the number a little longer. Run the program to see how it works and press the spacebar to stop. It works, but so fast that we can hardly see the direction changes. Add a wait block into the loop and set it to 0.1 seconds. Now we run it again, and this time it's much easier to see the changes. But did you notice something? The final answer this last time is impossibly high, isn't it? The arrow did not change direction 167 times. When we ran the program the second time, it did not start counting from 0. It just carried on from where it stopped the first time. Let's try it again. Do you notice how it just keeps on counting from where it stopped before? The problem is that Scratch is remembering the value of the counter variable from the last time the program was run. To solve this problem, we must tell the computer to start counting afresh. To do this, we add a set_to block to the beginning of the code and set the value of the counter variable to 0. This instruction will tell the program to forget the last value and start counting from 0 every time we run the program. We call this initialization. Now run the program again. And this time it works beautifully.